Hello everybody, Matthew Simmons here again, and it has been a long time since I did a knot, but we are back and we are going to have a very special appearance from a very special little guy. We are going to do a new knot. This is the first knot post-COVID. Pre-COVID we were on a roll, hit over 2,000 knots total. I created over 500 knots. Now we're back in the saddle and we are bringing you another one. This is the Baby Yoda knot. We got a new addition to the tie knot family. He's gonna be a knot. So here we go. So what you need is you need a tie and you need a gear tie, which is this right here. So this is gonna be about the length of it is the length of my index finger basically. So I would just say to that degree. So what I'm gonna do is I have a tie. I'm using green because he's green, so it makes sense. We're gonna have this at the belt line. Gonna come over here, we're gonna put in our dimple or our power crease there, pinch, whatever you wanna call it. Bring the skinny end over the blade, which is this. Gonna come around like so. And we're gonna come across and up and over. So pretty simple up to this point, all right? So what we're now gonna do, we're gonna cinch that up a little bit. So we have this. This is kind of be his face. Again, remember I'm working with a tie here, so it's his face right here. So now we're gonna do this, and then this. All right. So what we're gonna now do is put the gear tie in. Put it right here. This is what's going to make his ears. I can't stress this enough. You need something like this. This is like a rubber Chanel stem. You can find these at like Lowe's or probably Home Depot or Ace Hardware, places like that. It's used to tie equipment together. You know, like, I don't know, any kind of equipment, but they're also very good. Boris Mocha got me turned on to these right here. He got me hooked on using these. He used them in his own videos, now I use them in mine. So we're going to go ahead and fold this tie in half right here. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to kind of go around, we are going to go around it like this. This creates the ears, okay? We're going to come back underneath this blade back here. Now we're going to create his head. It's going to kind of not be visible right there. It will be. Actually, it didn't slip underneath. When I did this for practice, it actually disappeared, but it actually is staying, which I'm thankful for. So we're just gonna keep repeating the process. You guys get it. Let me cinch this over a little bit. Now here we have this. So here are his ears right here. His head right here. His ears, What I'm now going to do is I'm going to bring this back behind here. See this fold? I'm going to spin it around in the back to where this is facing out like this. There's his mouth right there. And just push this in the back now. We're going to have to do a little bit of post-production work. On a lot of these knots like this, you're going to have to do some post-production work because there's a lot to them. Let me go ahead and put my collar down. All right. So here's his ears. Kind of put it at a point. This one's a little more pointier than this one. It's not really looking like his mouth, is it? You can feel free to add to this. I'm just providing you with a base. He doesn't have an orange spot on his ear. There we go. So, the Baby Yoda knot. Got the main thing I'm focusing on is the ears. The straight across ears. There you got it. So, own your own style, my friends. You're fearfully wonderfully made. I'll catch you in the next video. I'll keep messing around with this to make sure that that orange does not show. But you get the picture. Peace and God bless. I'll catch you in the next video. More tie knots to come.